Welcome back to Basic Beck Beauty, and today we're going to be working on lashes. But before we do that, I want to thank everybody for watching, and if you could please subscribe, because it's only half of you subscribed. And these are a shout out to Kitsch Goblin. They are awesome. They've got so many cute little earrings, and look, a magic badge. Isn't that cute? I'll try and leave a link down below if I can. Okay, moving on. My face is already prepped with foundation and contour and all the rest. We're doing lashes, but I thought today we'd just do like a little makeup thing anyway, because it won't be that long, hopefully. And remember, if it doesn't work to begin with, practice. It's taken me forever to do it. Okay, and each time I do it, I get better, and now I have a bit of a lashes obsession. So I got a few. All right, I'll just move this forward so you can have a bit of a look. Okie dokie. So goddamn. So today I am going in with colourpop. I thought I'd just do pink. I'm going to do something really simple, because today is just about the lashes. So I thought I'd do this, do pink, because then you can see the black lashes on top. So I'm just going to go in. Oh my god, don't mind me, I'm just so hot at the moment. And I can't put anything on because it's loud. So I'm just going to go in with, I might do something. Stop thinking. I'm just going to go in with, what does that say? Sandbar, I think. I can't read. So I'm going to go in with that. And we're just gonna pat it on. We're going all across the lid. That is such a nice colour. I'm not a big pink fan, I think, because when I was little, my mum put me in pink. Everything is pink, 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 pink. And now my favourite colour is black. I went the other way. You give me pink, I'm going to put on black. So I think as soon as I was able to dress myself, I was in pink. And if it wasn't pink, it was fluoro. Because fluoro was around in the 80s and it was hot and everything was fluoro. Fluoro. I think I got to be my eye. So yeah, I love these earrings because the ice creams come back in again, and it reminds me of my. Geez, I'm very retro at the moment, aren't I? Very 80s. It's Buffalo Bill used to be around in the 80s, and his little nose would be chewing gum. I'm sorry, bubble gum. So, and each one would have a different colour, and they're back. They've been off the shelves, and now they're back in. Saw them in Woolies. You can get them in like a box of them, and it's like, oh my. So these are little Dixie cups as well. It's like, wow, it's a little tub of ice cream. Okay, and then I'm going to blend with a colour, and that's going to be a light colour, and that's going to be Poodle. So we're just going to go on top. So this is a different way of doing your makeup. I thought I'd do a pretty simple way because the makeup today is not the focus, it's just filler. So we're just going to go on top just to lighten it up and blend it all out. And my eyebrows are running away with me. Okay, there you go. So the focus is that, but then that lightens off. See, I never knew about that when I was younger. I had no one to teach me makeup. I just sort of saw. I had Madonna and Boy George to work off. Boy George was awesome. But yeah, so, you know, it was. I had a neighbour who taught me how to do mascara, which was really good. And she was like a big sister, so she showed me some stuff. Okay, there we go. Now, it's lashes time, baby. I have to let melt. Whew. Okay. Oh, jeez. Now I have, woo, stuff that's going to fall off. I've got these beautiful Morphe ones. Any lash, just grab a lash. I pick up a lot. Like, I've got other stuff here, like $2. I couldn't decide which lash. So I'm like, look, they're rainbow. I'm like, lashes don't need to cost, like with everything that I try to do on this channel, I try not to have everything really expensive, you know, like I have my palettes because I'm a bit of a package haul. Yeah, anyway, I'm not going to go into confessions here, but yeah, so any lash, just grab a lash. Every lash wins a prize. And it's not the lash that can stuff up, it's actually the handler. So not every lash comes with, there may have been one there, I might have thrown it out. So at the back, there may have been a little glue stick. But I don't use that because I'm very clumsy. And I got this one. I think I may have got it from Woolies. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. But I can't remember where I got it from. But it's black glue. Oh. So it doesn't matter how much you stuff it up and put it all over the place. It's sort of like hidden. With the white, it's not really hidden. So now I used to get, so try and match them up, right? Because I've done that where it's just, you just grab one, you're prattling away like you are now, I am now, and then you just put it on the one run. It's like, oopsie. And it always turns out that it's really good. It's like, wow, that looks awesome. And you look back and it's like, okay, it's it's the wrong eye. So we are going to be looking at, you've got the band right here, and we are putting the glue just along the band, just a little bit of glue. You don't want too much because it's going to go everywhere. So I'm hoping that you can see with the black, which you probably won't, of course not, because that's the whole idea. But we're just, you see, just running it along, just gentle. Oh, I'm putting it everywhere. So just running it along. And what I used to do was I used to put it straight on top. Yeah. I never knew that you had to wait for it to dry a little bit and just get sticky. Because if you put it on, that's why it was going everywhere. So, did that for years. Wondered why it wasn't working. And it was only recently that I saw someone do that, and it was like, oh, that makes sense. Now, you can have, I would pick that one. See, people have tweezers and they have other stuff, but I find it's easier just to get in there with my hands. So we're just gonna, oh God, I'm shaking. Just gonna plop it on top. measure it up, and then get it as close as you can. I'm just gonna, so you can see me, because I need to see what I'm doing. Oh, cool, you can see me. And then I'm just gonna squeeze them together. Bring it down as close as I can. And if it happens to, if you take too long doing this, mucking around and stuff like that, just you can get your glue, lift up your eyelash, might be here or there, and just stick it under a bit, and then sit it right. I'm so hot, I'm melting. Sit it right back down. So it's not the best, but if someone's staring at you that long and hard, then it's like, what you staring at? At least I've got lashes. So let's go do the other eye. Practice, just practice, that's all it is. It's like me. It's like me with my wing. I just can't do it. I try, and it's just because the hooded eye, it's like it's, if the Egyptian style comes in where it's straight down or straight across or straight down, then I've nailed it. But you know, it's like, it doesn't matter, just shove a lash on and no one will know, baby. Paint it. Now, if these are too long for you, you can always cut. Oh, can you see? You can slightly cut the end off here. Some people keep those parts and they can use it at the bottom just here. Looks good, but I would probably lose them, and it's like I'll have one and it's like, right, I'm gonna put you down again, sorry. I don't know if I don't think I blurred on it. Blue, far out, blue on it. Oh my God. Sorry, trying to be professional here. See, it's not perfect. This is why people go off camera to put their lashes on, because it's not easy, especially when you it's like after a couple of drinks. Hello. As long as I don't drop my lash in my drink. God. Alrighty. So you can see there's black everywhere. Wait for it to dry, just like the mascara. I don't know if it's dry yet. Whatever. Just wait for it to dry and you can take it off. See, with this just shows you how, well, I don't think you need proof that it's not that easy, and pretty sure that a lot of makeup artists have a lot of trouble with it, because they do one, they struggle, there's a cut, there's a edit, and can you stop walking around and bugger off and leave me alone? Like, I'm having enough trouble as it is. Oh my goodness. Okay. Measuring it up, and voila, I think. Yes. I don't think I waited for that to dry, did I? God damn! That's probably why I'm having so much trouble with it. Anyway, so you get the idea. Oh, there we go. Pinchy, pinchy. Done. Now I'm sweating like a reptilian and my makeup's going everywhere. It's like glow, baby, it's glow. And I thought we'd finish it off with some lippy. Why not? Might get a bit of a darker one with this. And I just got these off Wish. It's called Stilla. Can you see that? No, of course you cannot. Whatever. Just trust me. Trust me. Anyway. Nice colour. I thought it was a lot pinker. Now I realise why I don't use pencils, because I actually use the lip liner, the lipstick or the lip wand as sort of like a pencil to trace around. And it's like, there you go. So there's your lashes done. I'll bring you in for a closer look. See ya. Bye. Thanks for watching.